Hello all. In this video, we are going to view triggers. Trigger is the act of performing actions when one or more predefined conditions are met. Actions and conditions are defined by integrator in programming interface. Trigger types are divided into two types, device-based and time-based. For example, turn on garden lights every day at 19, or send a push notification when a fire alarm occurs. Condition types can be accessory status-based, security mode and status-based, intercom system-based, scenario-based, doorbell-based, application-based, and time-based. Action types are accessory actions, sending value to group address of KNX bus, running a scenario, changing security mode, dial an intercom call to a contact, adding a delay between actions, sending an HTTP request, and sending a push notification to a mobile phone. In this section, you can add a trigger to touch panel with CoreOS 4.0 operating system. Click plus button, enter the name of trigger, and after click when button to add a condition. Choose time or accessory-based condition. You can add multiple condition. You can combine conditions with and or logical gates. After the conditions to be added are completed, you can save it by clicking the Save button. After saving the condition, click the Then button to add an action. You can create an action list by adding the actions you want to take place in order. Or you can create a time-based action group by adding a delay between actions. After the conditions to be added are completed, you can save it by clicking the Save button. Click Save button after all information are set for trigger. After adding a trigger, it is possible to make it visible or invisible on Touch Panel UI. The visible triggers created by integrator cannot be edited on Touch Panel UI. End user can only get informations about the trigger. However, end user can edit a trigger created on Touch Panel UI. The triggers created by end user appears on web interface. So when the backup is exported, backup file includes those triggers too. You can edit previously added triggers in programming interface. To do this, click the button shown in the Actions column of the trigger you want to edit. Trigger Wizard will appear. Here you can edit any information of the trigger. If a trigger created by end user is edited via web interface, it cannot be edited on Touch Panel UI anymore. You can delete previously added triggers in programming interface. To do this, click the button shown in the Actions column of the trigger you want to delete. Trigger will be deleted after confirming delete process in the confirmation box. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.